Hello, I'm Dr. Road from Mobilant. Today, I'm going to show you how to install heated grips that will keep you warm and comfortable during your rides. First, place the heating film on the handlebar grips and wrap it around tightly. Secure it firmly with insulating tape. Now, slide the heat shrink tubing over the grips. Use a high-powered hair dryer, heat gun, or gas torch to heat it up. It will shrink tightly around the grip. I've attached the temperature control switch in a suitable location using a glue gun. Turn on the power switch of the electric bicycle battery pack. This is the latest model with 3 adjustable heating levels. When you turn it on, the red flashing indicates rapid heating mode, blue indicates medium heating mode, and green indicates low power mode. After a few minutes of rapid heating, it automatically switches to the blue mode. Most heated grips currently available operate at 12 volts. Therefore, it's recommended to use a DC to DC step-down converter to convert the higher battery pack voltage to 12 volts. Also, the provided heat shrink tubing will expand when used. I recommend replacing it with heat shrink grips similar to those commonly used in motorcycles. You can find the purchasing information in the video description. In the next video, I'll introduce a special winter handlebar cover. When used in combination with the heated grips, it will make your winter rides so cozy that you might feel sleepy. Subscribing and clicking the like button greatly support the production of our videos. Check out our electric bicycle book as well. Thank you for watching Dr. Road from Mobilant.